Welcome back to another video. So how we can enable our clipboard history. So before you do that, if you're new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. Okay, so you can search here settings, or you can just find the start bar here settings. Okay, so open the settings. When you open the settings, you can see systems. Okay, you have to click on systems, then slide down little bit. Okay, and now you can see the clipboard tab. Okay, click on clipboard tab and it will open here. Okay, now save multiple items your clipboard. Okay, press the Windows V key for your clipboard history. We are going to turn on this clipboard. Okay, so just we have turned on the clipboard. Now we have to press Windows V and we can see our clipboard here. Okay, here I have copied this title and you can see the clipboard title here. Okay, so this is the thing that clipboard is very important thing. So that's it. Thanks for watching.